Hello, welcome back, or hello for the first time, I don't know. So I just did a video with the title, anyway, it said the Amen beat throughout the whole video, and then after uploading it I realized it's the Amen break. So welcome to the Amen break. Now with an emphasis on the strumming on your instrument. So I already went through the whole thing. I'll link to that video in somewhere, somehow. So we're looking at taka timi taki taka 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 timi taka timi taka 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 timi. So the first part of the Amen break, we're gonna put that into motion on a guitar with the strumming. So I'm gonna go with my no chord, and every time there's a word here, ta, that's a word, ka, a word, di, mi, ta, ki, te. Ta, ka, ta, ka, ta, ta, ka, ti, mi. Those are words. Every time there's a word, there's a you strum. Okay, so ta, ka, ti, mi, ta, ki, te, ta, 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 ka, ta, ta, ka, ti, mi. Try that for size. Just ta, ka, ti, mi, ta, ki, te, ta, ka, ta, ka, ta, ta, ka, ti, mi. So a huge help if you know thy beat, know thy break. I don't know what's going on anymore. Know thy whatever you're doing, right? Internalize it. There are different ways to do it. You can even close your eyes, not now because you're watching a video, but so you kind of go taka timi taki te taka taka ta taka timi, and then eventually you realize that the taka. So those are downstrokes. Taka, this is down. I should have arrows here anyway. So this is down. Taka, dimi, tak. So that's a downstroke. Taki, te. And then you realize that those two ta are upstrokes. Taka, taka. It's kind of go taka, taka. So those are upstrokes. And then taka, 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 dimi. So this place is funny because it's up, down, followed by each other. So it's like ta, taka, dimi. Timi, taka timi, taka timi, ta taka timi, taka timi, taka timi, taka timi, taka timi, taka timi. Okay, so let's go through this and kind of internalize, just down, up, all over the place. Taka timi, taki te ta taka taka. Wait a minute. Taka timi, taki te ta taka. Did I say something funny before? Taka timi taki te ta ka ta ka ta taka timi taka timi taki te ta taka 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 timi taki te taka 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 timi taka timi taki te taka 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 timi taka timi taka 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 timi. So I did say strum all over the place. Just strum everything, okay? But now we're gonna draw the beat out of the beat. Let's just call it the beat by putting an accent. So let's go with the taka dimi and then draw this ta out. So taka dimi, taka dimi, taka dimi, taka dimi, taka dimi, taka dimi. That's how I told you to do it, but let's take it a step further. So we will differentiate. Taka dimi, taka dimi, taka dimi, taka dimi. So I'm strumming everything now, but you should be able to hear whenever I hit something I want to show. Taka dimi, taka dimi, taka dimi. So that's the soft versus hard. Taka dimi, taka dimi, taka dimi, taka dimi, taka dimi, well, that one is funny because then it's flipped around. So the first ta is down, you're kind of done with the ta-ki-te and your hand is down. And you gotta go back to ta, so you gotta move up going ta-ki-te, ta-ki-te. My hand is down, ta-ki-te, my hand is up, ta-ki-te, my hand is down, ta-ki-te. So this is a lot of fun, but you don't get to do that in this beat, okay? Ta-ki-te, ta-ki-te, down, we're here. Ta ka. Let's go with ta ka, ta ka, ta ka, ta ka, ta ka, ta ka, ta ka. And the thing about drawing the beat out, you know, the important thing is to keep the hand going even though you're not playing. So when I'm doing like this, taka-timi, taka-timi, taka-taka, taka-timi, you only hear the taka-timi, taka-timi, taka-taka, taka-timi. So that's what you hear, right? But internally, my whole body does this, right? I keep strumming. That's what I wanted to say, right? Taka-timi, taka-timi, taka-taka, taka-timi. You see? So this is just going on, and you don't have to. This looks silly during a concert, so you can keep it small. Taka-timi, taka-timi, taka-taka, taka-timi. You know? Taka-timi, taka-timi, taka-taka, taka-timi. But in the beginning, just play everything. Taka-timi, taka-timi, taka-taka, taka-timi. And slowly pull out that accent, what you want to say, right? So let's groove it, shall we? Taka-timi, taka-timi, taka-taka, taka-timi, taka-timi, taka-taka, taka-timi, 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 taka-taka, taka-timi, 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 taka-timi. So let's go with that E, shall we? And you can kind of go back to the non chord. So see how this keeps going? So it's like this hand actually plays the piano because this thing. This thing does its thing, right? It's just doing this. And this thing is going from the non-chord. So, as I do that, nothing changes here. Maybe, almost not. It's simply pushing down on the chord. So I'm going for an A, but I'm going for the lazy A or A6 or whatever you want to call it, just the finger here. This finger or that finger or that finger, as you like. I'm going with the ring finger, okay? Let's go with taka-timi-ta, 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 taka-timi-ta. Now that's for another video. Anyway, thank you for watching. Aim and break. Pardon the pun. I'm breaking down the break in a previous video. Link in description below. Thank you very much. Ciao.